Hi guys, recently NYKAA had a Pink Friday sale and lots of product is so much dramatically sell in lots of high-end brand also. So I have bought some things, not lot of. So let's get started. So the first thing I bought is this, the Maybelline lip balm combo in the rupees 175, and we will get this filter plus free with this. This is a basic Maybelline the collaboration with Alia Bhatt. So this is a really nice NYKAA packaging of this, and I quite like this. This shade of this one is the Brooklyn Bronze, and this give you a really nice tint, not that much. So I really like that part. In college I have used a lot, and then suddenly I just forgot to use this, and after I think 2 years I bought again this lip balm. It's sprayed with this, so I thought it's really nice combo to use in winter, so that's why. And this is the Winter Floss. It's a basic lip balm with a tint of pink. It's in a strawberry flavor. It smells like really strawberry, and I really love it. It has not that much color. It's like a jelly-based lip balm, but it's really moisturizing. Next thing I bought is this Vaseline body lotion in the spray bottle. It's in a spray, so it's really that I want to use kind of thing. It's my heart, and it's in a 50% discount, so that's why I want it. Otherwise, I'm not bought it. Compared to the basic lotion, it's pricey, but in a 50% discount, so it's not that pricey compared to that. So its MRP is 3110, and I bought in this 150 rupees, so it's really not pricey. And it's like a spray, you know, spray and just with your head. It's so easy to use in winter. It smells nice, and it's to use pink. It's really nice to use in your daily life, and it's so handy to use. And I bought this. This is a Pierce body lotion. It comes with this NELF. This is from the Dove NELF, and it smells amazing. It's remember my child. I had used lots of soap from Pierce when I was a child. It's so good in winter. It's so moisturizing soaps in winter. So that's why I bought it again, and it smells really nice. But I am expecting the another bottle. This bottle I wanted. I expecting this and get this bottle. So some disappointed from NYKAA, but it's okay. It's come with this. So MRP is there 180, and I got this in 121 rupees. So it's really nice with this free lupa. So I love this. Then I bought this which is from the NELF USA in the shade of Seduction TD03. I thought it's a really nice dark maroon color, but it's in a red color, so I don't like it. But it's creamy. I want matte, but it's creamy. Not bad kind of lipstick. You can wear it because it is just in rupees 84, right? The MRP of this is 120 rupees, and you got in the Pink Friday sale. It's just 84 for this. It's not a wrong thing. It's really nice things. Okay. And next product I bought is this. It's a color bar of face and body rose mist. It's come with a beautiful cardboard packaging. It's come with a small spray bottle. I really like this bottle. It smells basic rose, but it's feeling luxurious because its packaging is quite good and small. It's fit in every bag, so it's really nice. And its spray, it's really soft spray and it smells so good. It's really soft spray, like it's the luxurious packaging. So yeah, okay. So this thing I got in 225 rupees. MRP of this is 300 rupees. So nice grab, I think. Then I what is this? This is a NIVEA original lip balm. This one is the original lip balm. This has 130 MRP and I got it in just 98 rupees. And it's a winter time, so I bought lots of lip balm and I love to use lip balm. And I'm using lip balm like no season at 12 months. So it has really nice packaging, matte sort of packaging, and yeah, it's a basic no color, no tint lip balm. That's it. Next thing I bought is this. This is a Miss Claire Quick Dry nail paint. I love this nail paint because its wand is quite big and nice to apply nail paint. I thought it's an orange color, but it's quite a neon color, so it's good, not bad, but it's quite a neon color, but it's good. In the shade of 20. Its MRP is rupees 60, but I bought it rupees 45 rupees, so it's nice. Okay, so next thing I bought is this. This is a L'Oreal shampoo for anti-dandruff shampoo. The MRP of this is 635 rupees and I got it in 570 rupees. It's not for me, it's for my brother. They use the L'Oreal professional shampoo because it's a sulfate and hard chemical free, so it's really nice to use this type of shampoos. And it smells really good, and in the color of blues that I love. It's in the color of aqua black. Aqua blue color is my favorite. So yeah. Another thing I bought is the Vibrant color in the dark brown shade for my mom, and the MRP of this is rupees 185 and I got it in 139 in the Pink Friday sale. So yeah, I have bought a really nice useful thing in a really nice discount price, so I am happy for the NYKAA Pink Friday sale. Don't forget to buy your NYKAA Pink Friday sale next year. And if you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. For subscribe, you have to click this round button to subscribe to my channel. Click this button. Go. Bye. See you in my next